Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm showing you guys how to get this look. It is heavily inspired by Miss Charlotte. Every single time I go on Instagram it goes away. Miss Charlotte Roberts. She did something very similar. I kind of did my own take, but hers is crazy and amazing. So I absolutely love it, but I did kind of a more simpler version, I think. But I think it's still super effective, and if you want to add some color into your skull makeup and it's not just a basic skull makeup, I highly recommend to do this. I think it looks really cool and really unique. So if you want to learn how I did it, then please keep watching. Alright, so I'm starting out with I have just some foundation on. It looks horrible, but we're not going to pay attention to that. Okay, so I'm going to first start out with the outlines of... I'm out of breath. Also, I might not be talking too much in this video because I'm honestly very exhausted. So some of this just might be like a demonstration. But I'm going to go ahead and take my black Hydra Liner by Suva Beauty. I'm going to map out the areas that I want dark. And you will see on my Instagram, but I am kind of basing my look off of her beautiful look. Alrighty, so this is what we have so far. This is just mapping out the areas that I want to stay black. And now I'm going to go ahead and go with this black eyeshadow from the Life's a Drag palette, and I'm just gonna pat all over those areas, fill in any gaps because I definitely have some, and just darken up those areas. And I'm sorry I didn't show more of that. My mom came home from work and we were kind of talking, but this part's pretty self-explanatory, just getting all the areas that you want black. Or even if you choose a completely different color, you can do this with brown, you could do this with any color you want. You could do the whole look red, you can do these areas like a burgundy. All of those areas are black, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab this shade right here, Trade, and I'm going to take that on a very tiny little blending brush, a very thinned out blending brush. I'm going to blend that kind of on top of where the black is. Okay, so that is how it's looking right now. If you get like messy, ignore it. So what I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go with a different shade, and I'm going to start creating shadows. So I'm going to use this shade Hunty right here. I'm going to create a shadow right here. And then going into the detail just where the shadow would be the darkest. And kind of creating a line. Just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here, Snatched. And I'm going to take that little small brush and I'm going to go all around, kind of on top of where I had done the other reddish eyeshadow. Alrighty, so that is all good. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is take my red Suva Beauty Hydra Liner, and I'm going to create like the little detail squiggly lines that Miss Charlotte had on her look. So all my squiggly lines on. It looks super good, right? So now I'm going to go ahead and go into that black Hydra Liner with that little detailed brush, and we're going to just make some little details. I'm going to go ahead and kind of go inside of these lines Alright, so that is completely done. We're done with that. And now I'm going to go ahead and go with the rhinestones because Miss Charlotte put rhinestones and I thought that that was so cute. And we're going to go around on these red areas and apply rhinestones kind of randomly, but kind of in the direction with the flow, excuse me, about the other rhinestones. Alright, so I have like those bigger rhinestones on. Now I'm going to go ahead and go with ones that are a bit smaller and then even smaller than that to just continue creating this effect all over. Alright, so all of the gemstones are on. I'm pretty tired of putting gemstones on my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara on my top and bottom lashes just to blacken them up like the rest of my makeup. But this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next video. I look very angry. I keep like telling myself stop frowning, Marjorie, but I'm not frowning. It's the makeup. Like, I'm actually really happy. It's really weird looking. Alright, well, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video.